Ren Min is a Chinese actress. She first gained recognition for the film Cry Me a Sad River. Ren is best known for her roles in the television series Serenade of Peaceful Joy, The Longest Promise, and The Rise of Ning. Ren Min is known for her versatile performance ranging from youthful roles to complex historical characters. She continues to be active in both film and TV with several projects in production or upcoming as of 2026. In 2023, she collaborated with Jiao Zhang in the ancient costume fantasy drama The Longest Promise, and their on-screen partnership became a hot topic among viewers. In April 2020, the historical drama Serenade of Peaceful Joy aired, in which she played the role of Zhao Ryu. For this performance, she received the 2020 National Drama Award Annual Potential Actress Award. In September 2018, she made her acting debut in the youth campus film Cry Me a Sad River, marking her entry into the entertainment industry. For this role, she was nominated for the Best Newcomer Award at the 2026 Beijing College Student Film Festival. She was admitted to the performance department of the Central Academy of Drama and also revealed she had been accepted to the Guildhall School of Music and Drama in London around the same time. She graduated from the Central Academy of Drama in 2020. Her real breakthrough came with the 2018 youth drama film Cry Me a Sad River, where she took on a leading role and gained widespread recognition as a promising young actress.